Picture a world where even the most isolated communities receive vital supplies swiftly. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now. Satellite technology is revolutionizing delivery, bridging gaps that once seemed insurmountable. Drones, guided by satellites, are overcoming geographical barriers. They navigate rugged terrains and vast oceans with precision, ensuring that no place is too remote for essential deliveries. This is the new frontier of logistics. Satellites provide drones with precise navigation and seamless communication. This real-time data ensures safe and efficient operations, even in challenging environments. Imagine drones delivering life-saving supplies to remote areas, all thanks to satellite connectivity. This technology is crucial for reaching places where traditional delivery methods falter. Zipline's drones are transforming healthcare by delivering medical supplies to remote regions in record time. Their success is inspiring other companies to expand the reach of drone deliveries, showcasing the potential of satellite-enabled logistics. These success stories highlight the transformative power of satellite technology. As more companies adopt this approach, the idea of global access to essential goods is beginning to take shape. Satellite technology will continue to enhance drone capabilities, making remote deliveries more efficient and reliable. Imagine a world where no area is too remote for essential deliveries, connecting everyone and everything. By embracing satellite-enabled drone deliveries, we can ensure that everyone, everywhere, has access to the supplies they need. Let's bring this to life. Find more Global Progress posts by visiting globalprogress.xyz.